Assalamu alaikum students and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Faizan Farooq and today we are going to discuss statement of affairs. Incomplete records is a very important topic for O levels exam and A level exams. In this chapter, we have one topic called statement of affairs. What is a statement of affairs? A statement of affairs is a technique, or you can say is a opening balance sheet correction, opening statement of financial position, which we made in order to find out the capital balance. In order to find out capital balance, we are using statement of affairs technique. So it's simple balance sheet statement of financial position, but we will take only opening balances. Okay, so statement of financial position opening is called statement of affairs. So I have an example that on 1st April we have details of accounts, stock, van, receivables, prepayments, bank balances, cash balance, creditors, expenses, drawings, check payments. We have a lot of information available. On the basis of this information, what we are going to produce? We are going to produce a balance sheet which is only taking care of opening balances. That's why it will be called statement of affairs. So balance sheet format is non-current assets. You have an example in front of you. Just check and tell me which non-current assets are mentioned. So number one is motor van. How much motor van? 6,400. This is the cost. Accumulated depreciation 1,600. So the net book value supposed to be 4,800. There are no more non-current assets. So we will check for current assets. Our first current asset is closing inventory. How much? Just search for it. Stock or closing inventory, 6,200. We have trade receivables. Also, trade receivables are assets. Prepaids are definitely current assets. Bank balance. Bank is an asset if it is on debit side, or if examiner is not mentioning its overdraft, so it's a debit balance. We have cash in hand. Cash in hand is definitely an asset. Just make the total of it 55,470. We have non-current assets of 4,800, so we will get some amount. Now we got the total amount. This is known as total assets. In our earlier studies of accounting, we go through with accounting equation, which is asset is equals to capital plus liability, or asset minus liabilities is equals to capital. Earlier, when I started this video, I said statement of affairs is a technique to find out the capital balance and its breakups. Before moving forward, if you didn't subscribe my channel till now, please subscribe the channel. Now we have total assets. What we need to do? We need to deduct liabilities. If I do deduct liabilities from assets, I will get capital balance. Now I have liabilities of 7,100 and expense owing. Expense owing is the payables, yani accruals. So I have trade payables of 7,100 and I have accrued expenses 640. The total of them are 7740. Assets minus liabilities. I will get the answer capital. What is the capital amount? 60,000 minus 7740. It will be 52,530. We got capital balance using the technique of statement of affairs.